Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing the field of user experience. We're talking about AI that can write, design, analyze, and even think with you, changing the game for UX professionals everywhere. Based on a survey of UX professionals, here are the top 9 AI use cases in UX, sorted by frequency. Get ready to explore how these tools are reshaping the UX landscape. First up is AI's role in content generation. Imagine AI that can write compelling microcopy for your app or website, craft engaging blog posts, or even generate detailed product descriptions. That's the reality we're living in now. AI tools can analyze vast amounts of data to understand what resonates with users and then generate content tailored to specific audiences. They can even adapt their writing style to match your brand's voice and tone. This doesn't mean human copywriters are obsolete. It means they have a powerful new tool to enhance their creativity and efficiency. Think of it as a superpowered writing assistant that never gets writer's block. Next, let's talk about research and analysis. AI is a data crunching machine. It can sift through mountains of user data, identify patterns, and generate insights that would take humans hours, days, or even weeks to uncover. This allows UX researchers to understand user behavior on a deeper level, identify pain points, and make data-driven design decisions. We're talking about AI that can analyze user feedback, track website traffic, and even conduct A/B testing to optimize user flows. AI is like having a team of data analysts working around the clock to inform your UX strategy. Now let's get creative with AI-powered ideation and brainstorming. AI can be a powerful tool for breaking through creative blocks and generating fresh ideas. Think of it as a brainstorming partner that never runs out of steam. AI can analyze existing designs, identify trends, and suggest new approaches to user interface and user experience. It can also help you explore different design concepts and visualize ideas quickly, allowing you to experiment and iterate faster. This is all about using AI to spark creativity and push the boundaries of what's possible in UX design. AI is not just about text and data, it's also revolutionizing the visual side of UX with image generation and manipulation. AI tools can generate custom images based on your specifications, create variations of existing images, and even enhance image quality. Imagine being able to create unique icons, illustrations, and even entire user interfaces with the help of AI. This opens up a world of possibilities for UX designers, allowing them to create visually stunning and engaging experiences. It's like having a digital artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your visual ideas to life. AI is also becoming an indispensable general-purpose assistant for UX professionals. Think of it as a virtual assistant that can handle repetitive tasks, automate workflows, and free up your time to focus on more strategic work. AI can help you schedule meetings, manage your to-do list, find relevant resources, and even answer your questions about UX best practices. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to helping you be more productive and efficient. Moving on to planning and organization, AI is proving to be a valuable asset in keeping UX projects on track. AI can help you create detailed project plans, allocate resources, track progress, and identify potential roadblocks. It can also analyze past projects to identify areas for improvement and optimize your workflow. This is about using AI to streamline your UX process, ensure projects are delivered on time and within budget, and ultimately achieve better results. AI is also making waves in the world of prototyping and wireframing. AI tools can help you create interactive prototypes quickly and easily, allowing you to test your designs and gather user feedback early in the development process. Imagine being able to generate multiple prototyping options based on your initial sketches, or even create interactive prototypes from voice commands. This is about using AI to speed up the prototyping process, iterate faster, and get your designs in front of users sooner. AI is also enhancing collaboration and workshops in the UX world. AI tools can facilitate real-time collaboration on design projects, enable remote teams to work together seamlessly, and even generate summaries of workshop discussions. Imagine using AI to gather feedback from stakeholders, synthesize ideas from brainstorming sessions, and even translate discussions in real time for international teams. This is about using AI to break down barriers to collaboration and make teamwork more efficient and productive. Finally, AI is proving to be incredibly useful for transcription and translation, especially in user research. AI can transcribe user interviews and usability testing sessions, saving you hours of manual work. It can also translate these transcripts into multiple languages, allowing you to gather insights from users around the world. This is about using AI to overcome language barriers, expand your research reach, and gain a deeper understanding of your global user base. So there you have it, the top 9 AI use cases in UX, transforming the way we design and create experiences. Now that you know the top AI use cases in UX, which one will you start with? The future of UX is here, and it's powered by AI. Remember, start small, start now. Catch you in the next video. Please comment below with your thoughts on the various use cases for AI in UX work. And remember to stay updated by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel.